Hey everyone, I'm Kylie, and this is our first skincare training. So this is also, I'm kind of nervous doing this, but so I'm with Avon, and we're going to be doing a 6-week training series for skincare, and so this is going to be our first week, and we're going to be talking about um, a little bit about the skin and then the Anew Clinical Products. So you should have gotten the workbook. I posted the PDF file in our group. If you are not part of my immediate downline, this can be available to you. Just comment saying that you would like a workbook, and I will email you one. It's free. These trainings will always be free for my downline and for anyone else, unless I have like a huge workbook thingy. This isn't necessarily huge, but we'll get started here. Make sure you have your workbook printed out if you would like to take notes in it. I have some fill in the blank pages, and then I have a page for each product. So let's get started. I'm going to screen share my skincare training here. So we'll start this from the beginning. See if it loads. Come on. There we go. Okay. So week 1 of our skincare training. Information about skin and the Anew clinical line. This is what we're going to be talking about. We'll have the 100 years of skincare with Avon, some statistics, anatomy, skin concerns, the 4-step routine of skincare, and then product info for the Anew clinical line. Now, this is 130 years worth of skincare with Avon. The very first skincare product was launched in 1896, and that was the California extract of witch hazel. We have a couple products now that have witch hazel in it. Then in 1905, there was the first massage cream that prevented wrinkles. In 1927, we had a 4-piece set that included an astringent and a peach lotion. And then in 1930 was the introduction to several products, including some hand creams and bubble bath, which you know today with Avon, those bubble baths and those hand creams are super popular. In 1940 was the first Bug Guard was introduced. Wasn't called Bug Guard back then, it was called a sun lotion with insect repellent. So, but we all know Bug Guard today with the sunscreens, and we had just regular bug spray. And then in 1950, there was a perfume skin softener, and we have some today too. 1961, Skin So Soft was introduced. I mean, today is the best-selling bath oil. 1970, the Clear Skin line was introduced. 1980, Avon was the first to stabilize retinol, and there's a couple products now that still has that ingredient. In 1990, Avon was the first to bring alpha hydroxy acid, and we actually have a product called Anew AHA, which is a moisturizer, and we also launched the Anew line in 1990. And then in 2000, Avon continues to revolutionize skincare from 2000 all the way up to today, which is October 2017. This is the statistics for Avon's skincare back in 2013. I do not have updated statistics yet, but Avon sold 2 products every second, 128 every minute, 1,776 every hour, 183,832 every day, 5.6 million each month, and 67 million products that year in just skincare. A little bit about our skin. Our skin is made up of 3 layers. We have the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. The hypodermis is what causes those wrinkles and fine lines and sagging by crumbling or breaking or buckling. This causes the epidermis to buckle also. That epidermis is the top layer that you see. It creates your skin tone, and it actually is what produces the dark spots as you age, and it does nourish the keratin in your skin is what nourishes the skin. And the keratin makes up about 80% of the cell life. The dermis, which is the middle layer, is mainly just connective tissues, hair follicles, and sweat glands. This creates the elasticity in your skin and controls the skin concerns. In 1 square inch of your skin, as you can see over here in the right corner, that there is 20 blood vessels, 65 hair glands, 95 to 100 oil glands, 650 sweat glands, and 19,500 cells just in 1 square inch of your skin. This is skin by age. So in your 20s, you have very few signs of aging. You have smooth texture, even tone, few or no lines, no wrinkles. In your 30s, you have early aging signs. Those are fine lines, slightly uneven skin tone, tired, puffy eyes. Then in your 40s, we have more moderate signs of aging, some wrinkles, discoloration, rough, flaky skin. In the 50s, we have moderate signs of aging, which is more advanced wrinkles, dark spots. And then in your 60s on, we get more advanced signs of deep wrinkles, neck sagging, loss of color. And this is just kind of bound to happen as you age. The only way we can prevent it is by using skincare that is right for you. These are some concerns and some textures. So textures of the skin is everybody has a different kind of texture, but everybody's also different. You can have dry skin, combo skin, normal skin, and oily skin. Me personally, I have oily skin. My T-zone is especially oily, but then my cheeks and my chin and everything else gets super oily too. I know if you have dry skin, you can get flaky patches and your skin looks kind of dull. And then combo skin, just the T-zone is oily, but then the rest of your skin is kind of dry. And then some skin concerns that people mostly have is some dehydration, which causes the dry skin, fine lines and wrinkles, dull, uneven skin, patches of dark skin, blemishes, and red spots, loss of firmness and deep wrinkles, which mostly is the sagging, and then sensitivity, which includes redness, dryness, irritation, inflammation. With the sensitivity, some women and men have sensitivity to certain products, mainly because of the ingredients that are in the products. So if your customer is allergic to, let's say, aloe, make sure you look in the ingredients of the product that before you recommend it. That way she doesn't get that sensitivity, redness, or inflammation on her skin. This is your skincare routine in 4 steps. Every single person should be doing these steps. I know a lot of people neglect this, including myself, but this is the best way to prevent those wrinkles, or those fine lines, those dark spots. So step 1 is to cleanse your skin. You need to find a cleanser that works with your dry skin or your oily skin, and that also helps with acne, dark spots, or blackheads, any blemishes. You need to be cleansing your skin every morning and night. This does remove those unwanted elements and gets rid of dirt and bacteria that your face accumulates throughout the day or during your sleep. Another tip that we have is touching your face too much does transfer those germs, bacteria, and dirt that is from anything that you touch. Throughout the day, if you don't wash your hands on a schedule, pretty much, your hands will get oily. Your hands will have germs and bacteria, and they get dirty. And then you touch your face, and then your face that transfers to your face, causing acne, blackheads, or anything else. So it's good to either wash your hands a lot or just don't touch your face. Step 2 is to treat your skin. There's multiple serums that are available. We have vitamin C, retinol treatments, and these are for any skin concerns or any skin types, and also any ages. You need to treat your skin every morning and night after you cleanse, but before you moisturize. Then step 3 is to moisturize. We have moisturizers for day and then moisturizers for night. The day moisturizers do contain SPF and the night ones do not. You do need to moisturize every morning and night. This helps anti-aging and any other type of skin concern or texture that you have, it will benefit from that. And then step 4 is your eye care. When you find your product that you want to use for your eyes, whether it's lifting your eyes, whether it's getting rid of black circles or sagging, you need to apply it using your ring finger. That is your weakest finger on your hand. This is the reason why using your ring finger is because your eyelid is the thinnest layer of skin on your entire body. Using your index finger can sometimes irritate the skin and your eye altogether. So use your ring finger and use a very light motion when you're applying your eye care. Okay, now we're going to jump into the clinical products. So our very first product is the iLift Pro Dual Eye System. I have all the prices, product numbers, and the fluid ounces up on the right top corner on every single product. So you know this is the regular price. This has no sales prices. And then the product numbers do not change, but if they do, I will let everyone know. This product has a upper eye and brow bone gel and an under eye cream. This product helps your eyes feel tighter and lifted. It is lets your eyes feel weightless, gives your eyes a wide awake look. It does reduce the appearance of crow's feet and eyelid sagging. This is suitable for sensitive skin, but at the same time, make sure you let your customers know if there's any ingredients that they might be sensitive to. This is okay to use twice daily. You apply the gel to your eyelid and your brow bone, and then you apply the cream to your under eye and your upper cheekbone. These are the ingredients for the upper gel. You do not have to write all these down unless you want to. You can always go back and look at this again. But I do have that ingredient glossary for you so you know what each of these do and how they benefit the skincare that you're using. And then these are the ingredients for the lower cream. If you can look through these, you can kind of see that Avon does use really good organic products or ingredients like the shea butter or olive leaf extract. And then some of these are just kind of like fillers. They kind of help the product not get bacteria in it and kind of thickens the product. Next is the Infinite Lift Targeted Contouring System serum. This has a little roller ball to apply a smooth and massage your skin while allowing the complex to be more absorbed into the skin. So that's a nice little treat that you get, kind of like a massage while you apply it. It is formulated with the polypeptide lift complex. This needs to be focused on those 4 key areas: the chin, the cheeks, the jawline, and the jowls. This can be used in the morning and at night by applying to those 4 areas by using an upward motion, and you can pat them gently with the fingertips. And this does go really good with the platinum regimen that we will go on, and a different week we'll go on to regimens later on. These are the ingredients for that product. You can still see that there's the sweet almond seed extract and some very good ingredients. Next is the line eraser with retinol treatment. This would be your step 2 product. It's lightweight, has the amino acid complex that delivers the wrinkle fighting action. Retinol is the #1 anti-wrinkle ingredient recommended by dermatologists in every company. Retinol is just #1 worldwide of the anti-aging ingredient. This is fragrance and oil-free. This is good for suitable skin and for sensitive skin because it is fragrance and oil-free. A lot of times people are allergic to those fragrance ingredients. It does provide an overall youthful appearance, and this can be used in the morning and at night to a cleansed face and neck, and then you follow with your moisturizer. Retinol does increase the skin's sensitivity to the sun, so we do recommend that your moisturizer has SPF or that you're putting on sunscreen. These are the ingredients for the treatment. This is the line eraser with retinol targeted treatment. This is a tiny little tube that you can see results in just 1 week. You can use this 5 minutes after cleansing in the evening only. Not recommended that you use in the morning. You massage it over your skin in an upward and outward motion, avoiding your eyes and eyelids. If you or your customer does get this product in their eyes or your eyes, just flush your eyes with lukewarm water until you think the product's all the way out. Your skin will look and feel younger overnight, making your skin reveal a younger, softer, and more refined. And these are ingredients for that. Okay, this is the Advanced Wrinkle Corrector. This can also be used on your neck. Any moisturizer kind of product should be used on your neck too. It does prevent that sagging. This has results shown that improves the fine lines and wrinkles by 28% over time. This can be used in the morning and at night by gently smoothing over your face and neck, focusing on your areas with wrinkles. It does increase your elasticity and improves your skin appearance. These are the ingredients. Now, this is the only product we have in our entire skincare line that has the talc, or however you pronounce it. I know that Avon has gotten rid of all other products that have this ingredient, and I'm not sure what their plan is on this product, whether they're going to get rid of that ingredient or get rid of the product altogether or keep the product. So I will probably get more information on that later on. Next is the Thermofirm Face Lifting Cream. In just 3 days, your skin looks firmer, tighter, and more lifted. This can be applied either in the morning or at night on a clean face. Just after 4 weeks of use, the appearance of tightness is improved by 51%. You can add this to any of your anti-aging skincare regimens. And it has a special hydrolyzed plant protein that is intended to visibly tighten, lift, and firm your skin. These are the ingredients for this. Sorry, my throat's kind of dry. Okay. Next is the Overnight Hydration Mask. This has little beads in it full of hyaluronic acid and shea butter that does absorb and smooth to make a plumped look skin. It is fragrance, paraben, and oil-free, which means it is suitable for sensitive skin, but still check those ingredients. Make sure that nobody's allergic or sensitive to any of the ingredients. This deeply hydrates your skin for 48 hours. This can be used at nighttime after you apply your night cream 3 times a week, and then you just leave this on overnight. Wash it off in the morning when you do your daily cleanse. This is a gel formula, and it does minimize the look of fine, dry lines, and visibly restores youthful skin. Sorry. These are the ingredients for it. Okay, next is the retexturizing peel. This comes with 30 pads, and it helps remove unwanted dead cells on your skin. It does soothe and cleanse and moisturize your skin with a youthful appearance and a healthy glow. Um, it also helps reduce acne. It heals blemishes, and it smooths and brightens your skin for a younger appearance. It exfoliates and resurfaces your skin without drying it out and feel firmer. You glide these pads over your face and allow the product to dry without washing off. You can use in the morning or at night after cleansing 2 to 3 times a week. These are the ingredients. Okay, now there's the extra strength retexturizing peel. This can be used every other day in the morning or at night. You smooth the textured side of the cloth pad over your cleansed, dry face, and then you follow with your preferred treatment and moisturizer. This also contains 30 pads to reveal a fresher, smoother, and more radiant look. It improves texture and radiance. It minimizes the appearance of sunspots, fine lines, and post-acne marks. This does contain the alpha hydroxy acid. These are the ingredients. Okay, now we have the Absolute Even Multi-Tone Skin Corrector. This is an anti-aging serum. It's formulated with DSX7, which contains 2 different forms of vitamin C. This targets many facets of discoloration and reduces 7 common problems, including dark spots, uneven skin tone, post-acne marks, brown patches, blotchy red patches, freckles, swallowness, and it helps to moisturize skin while reducing discoloration. This is suitable for all skin tones and all skin types. And you use this by smoothing the serum over the face and neck in an upward-outward motion in the morning and at night after cleansing but before moisturizing. These are the ingredients for it. Okay, now this is the Absolute Even Dark Circle Corrector. This is an eye cream that contains a shadow erase complex that gets rid of those dark circles in 3 ways. It brightens the look of dark circles with self-adjusting sheet optics, visibly reduces under eye shadows, it smooths the texture of skin in eye areas, it's non-greasy, non-sticky, and non-oily. You know, we all hate it when we put on a product and then we have the sticky afterfeel. This does not have that. A lot of our products do not have that sticky afterfeel. You can use this under your makeup. It is suitable for all skin types, and you apply by using a small amount to your under eye area and rubbing in. These are the ingredients. Okay, now this is the Absolute Even Spot Correcting Hand Cream. So as you age, your hands tend to wrinkle. They tend to get dark spots, and they tend to age. Same with the rest of your skin. So this hand cream does help improve the texture, tone, and clarity of your hands for younger looking skin. It does help reduce the look of dark spots, and you can use this in the morning and evening by massaging over clean, dry hands, and you can reapply as much as needed. These are the ingredients that are in it. Lots of fruits and natural oils like carrots and soybean and sunflower. This is the last one. It's the Resurfacing Expert Smoothing Fluid. This helps your skin look younger, smoother, and more radiant. It is an anti-aging serum with a little dropper. It is known to show firmer skin in 1 day. In 3 days, you'll have retextured and brighter skin. This can be used in the morning and at night by smoothing upward and outward over a clean, dry face and neck. This does need to be away from eyes. Do not have eye contact. If this product does get in your eyes, just like the other product that I mentioned earlier, that it just rinse your eyes with lukewarm water until you feel like the product is out. This does contain alpha hydroxy acid, which does increase your skin sensitivity to sun exposure, just like retinol. So just recommend again to use a moisturizer that has an SPF or a sunscreen while using this product. And then these are the ingredients for the product. Okay, so there's week 1. If you need me to go over anything again, please comment below. And also, if you have any comments about how you liked the training, comment that below. Any questions you have, I will try my best to answer anything that you have. Make sure that you print out or save that ingredient glossary so you can always refer back to that in case your customer has a question about a certain ingredient. Next week, we will see you Thursday around 9 o'clock again. Just like this week, I'll probably do these pre-recorded ones. They tend to work better with my time frame since my kids are kind of crazy. But any questions or comments, please comment below this video. Don't go back to the group. Just comment on this video. Thank you. Get out of here now. Okay, bye guys.